So the first we have, वो इसी तरफ देख रहा है. He is looking over here. He is looking over here. ये रास्ता सुनसान है. It is a solitary way. It is a solitary way. उसने मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया. He gave a befitting reply. He gave a befitting reply. तुम बहुत कामचोर हो. You are so slacker. You are so slacker. खुद ही देख लो. See for yourself. See for yourself. वो दिमागी परेशानी का शिकार है. He got into a tizzy. He got into a tizzy. तुमने उसके बारे में तो सुना होगा. You might have heard of him. You might have heard of him. खुद से पूछो क्यों. Ask yourself why. Ask yourself why. कितना शातिर दिमाग है तुम्हारा. Such a foxy mind you have. Such a foxy mind you have. वो बहुत शक्की है. He is very skeptic. He is very skeptic. उसकी नीयत खराब है. His intention is wrong. His intention is wrong. दिमाग मत पकाओ. Don't fix my brain. Don't fix my brain. मेरे पास कोई और चारा नहीं. I have no other option. I have no other option. तुम बहुत जल्दबाज हो. You are so hot-headed. You are so hot-headed. मैं ऊंचा सुनता हूँ. I am hard of hearing. I am hard of hearing. तुम किस चीज़ के बने हुए हो. What are you made of? What are you made of? मैं उसकी बातों में आ गया. I was misled by him. I was misled by him. वो मेरी मुंह बोली बहन है. She is my foster sister. She is my foster sister. मुझे इससे थोड़ा भी परेशानी नहीं है. It doesn't bother me any. It doesn't bother me any. मुझे उस पर पूरा भरोसा है. I have full faith in him. I have full faith in him. ये तुम्हारे चेहरे पर साफ साफ लिखा है. It is written all over your face. It is written all over your face. ये सड़क किधर जाता है. Where does this road lead to? Where does this road lead to? मुझे इस मुसीबत से निकालो. Help me out. Help me out. मैं उसकी बात नहीं सुन सकी. I couldn't listen to him. I couldn't listen to him. उसने पैसे दे मारे. He shoved the money. He shoved the money. मैं गुस्से में होश खो देता हूँ. I lose my mind in anger. I lose my mind in anger. ये रंग आप पर बहुत अच्छा लगता है. This color suits you. This color suits you. मैं बाल कटवाने जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to my haircut. I'm going to my haircut. मेरा पेन कौन ले गया. Who took my pen? Who took my pen? अगर वो हाँ कर दे तो अच्छा होगा. She had better say yes. She had better say yes. आपसे बाहर कोई मिलने आया है. There is someone out to see you. There is someone out to see you. अच्छा होगा मैं जाकर देखूं. I had better go and see. I had better go and see. Now it's time for quiz. Number 1, मैं उसकी बात नहीं सुन सकी. Number 2, मैं उसकी बातों में आ गया. इन दोनों सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे अपना आंसर कमेंट करके बताएं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.